Hello. In this video, I will show you step by step how to access Wells Fargo online banking system. If you want to do your banking transactions quickly and securely online, you are in the right place. If you want to see more informative videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. First, visit www.wellsfargo.com on your computer or mobile browser. This will direct you to Wells Fargo's official website. When the website opens, click on the Sign On button in the upper right corner of the page. This link will take you to the user login screen. Here, you will be asked for your username and password. If you do not have an online Wells Fargo account yet, you can register by clicking on the Enroll link on the same page. After entering your login information correctly, you can securely access your account by clicking on the Sign On button. If you have forgotten your password or username, you can reset your information using the Forgot Password or Username option. After logging into your account, you can view your bank accounts, make payments, transfer money, and easily manage your financial transactions. You can also easily perform these transactions from your smartphones thanks to Wells Fargo's mobile application. The application allows you to quickly perform your transactions with its simple interface and user-friendly design.